welcome to Preggo. Another year, and we are here at Maison Objet to present what we can do for you. As producers of bespoke upholstery, case goods and lighting, we present a diversity of solutions and techniques to suit your pieces. First, please find the upholstery where we are doing a lovely capitone. As well, the impressive art of gold leafing, where we leave no luxury detail behind. We are also featuring the wood carving technique, where in a very traditional way we are able to shape wood and create amazing pieces. We are also here showcasing our work with lighting, where we are able to create bespoke pieces for you with all sizes and different kinds of metal shapes. However, what makes us apart are our services. We have first and foremost an amazing technical department who can help you not only finance your own pieces, but as well follow the prototypes to ensure that its construction is the best. Here you can find Andrea drawing some lovely poofs for our hood collection. And here you'll find a lovely selection of finishes in wood, metal, glass, mirror, marble for your consideration. Here you'll find the wall of samples where you have all the different things we can do for you, some of them crafted by our laboratory, which can create and customize samples to your own needs. I hope you come and see us at Maison Objet. We are at all 7, stand A50, B49. With us, you can find the solutions to produce your own pieces.